There's Savannah just pushing things around. Can you come back? Are you gonna come back? Come on back. Is it too exciting? Too much excitement? Look at you go. Whoops. Can you get back up? You can do it. You can do it. Can you do it? Aww. Alright. Back up. There you go. You're back up. And she's off again. She's just running circles. Whoa, careful. Don't tip it over. Can you come back to me? Gotta manhandle it a little bit, huh? It's probably easier if you go with the wheels, but it's okay too. Hey Savannah. Savannah, can you smile for me? Can you smile? Are you ramming into my foot and my knee? Hey Savannah, can you smile? You're doing such hard work, huh? I think she's gonna be walking here pretty shortly. You're doing so good. Are you gonna come back? Oh, careful. Good job. You're just plowing through toys. Welcome back. You are a funny little lady. Hi. Hi there, sweetie pie. Do a little dance for a second. Can you honk? Whoa. Good job. There's the honk. What are you gonna do now? She's better walking without footy pajamas on, but it's okay. It's still too early to change into real clothes. We got up at 5:30 this morning. And she went back to bed at 6:15 for 45 minutes. I guess she realized it was too early to get up. She's smart. What was that? Okay. Can you say bye-bye? No? Alright. Well, bye-bye. Let's shut the camera off now. There you go. Good job.